Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to leave a product review on eBay. So open eBay application on your device and then navigate to the section My eBay that is located at the bottom side of the screen. And here in this shopping section you see purchases. So open it, and here you should see your recent orders. So find the item you want to review and tap on it to open the details of this order. Scroll down until you see a button Leave Feedback, and then you should choose your overall rating. So it's positive rating, neutral or negative. Then provide detailed ratings for different aspects like item accuracy, shipping time, communication, and shipping charges. You can write also a comment about your experience with the product and the seller. And optionally, you can add up to 5 photos of the item you have received. And when you are ready to leave your feedback, tap Leave Feedback button to submit your review. So that's basically how you can leave a product review on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.